Long stretch of concerts for the AMP.
It is. Did you have a ticket to that show?
No, I did not. No,
Oh.
I was working. I would have gone though.
I'm sorry.
I am supposed to go to Beck in Phoenix, which is on August 18th, which I'm excited about. But they've got like 5 concerts between now and then.
Oh, it's the busiest stretch. This is like their Super Bowl for the AMP, and then once that stretch is over, the shows
they taper
become
off.
few and far between as we're wrapping up another concert season at the AMP. A sure sign that fall is on the way. And we're going to get a taste of fall by the time we get, a slight taste of fall by the time we get to early next week, which I'll show you here in a second. First, that weekend outlook for Northwest Arkansas. Not too bad. It's going to be hot and humid with off and on again storm chances, especially tomorrow morning and then late Sunday and into Monday with very spotty stuff in between there. River Valley, much less in the way of rain chances, but still plenty hot and plenty humid both Saturday and Sunday. But as I said, temperatures will go down once we get to Monday. Pretty strong fall-like cold front will cross the area early Monday morning and really slap our temperatures down. You'll really notice it in the morning hours. A couple locations in Northwest Arkansas, Tuesday and Wednesday morning, would not surprise me. We get into the upper 50s for the first time in quite some time. Not as bad in the River Valley as well, especially as we get into early next week. Temperatures below average, as well as some pretty comfortable mornings out there. Now, Eureka Springs, things are nice and quiet. You can see people enjoying their Friday evening in the great town of Eureka Springs in Carroll County, where for the most part in Northwest Arkansas, we're in the mid-90s. River Valley, you can see that haze out there because of all the humidity that's in the air in Fort Smith. 96 right now in Fort Smith. Thankfully, no triple-digit heat, but as we showed you earlier, you factor in that heat index, and it certainly feels like it's well above 100 degrees. We'll be nice and quiet for the most part tonight. We will have a thunderstorm complex to our north. It's going to possibly sneak. We might get clipped in Northwest Arkansas with some rain and shower activity, maybe some weak thunderstorms. I think for the most part, the River Valley will remain on the dry side. There is a chance that the instability in the atmosphere, rain and drizzle and maybe a weak thunderstorm, maintains itself for a good part of the day in Northwest Arkansas. That would keep temperatures on the cool side, whereas the River Valley would see almost no precipitation at all as this boundary kind of dances across the area. Another complex of storms tomorrow night and into Sunday should stay mostly to the north of us, but then Sunday night and into Monday, that's when the best chance, if we're going to see severe weather, that will happen. Mainly a damaging wind and hail threat, but we'll keep an eye on it and keep you updated throughout the weekend. 70s tonight, and then 90s again tomorrow. Another hot and humid day, feeling like it's well above 100 degrees. And there is a look at the extended forecast, and you notice those temperatures really dropping off once we get to Monday and Tuesday, and really the rest of the week. Next week looks very, very nice, but we got to get through those rain and storm chances first. Same thing here in the River Valley. Less in the way of rain chances, but plenty of heat and humidity until we get to early next week. Yesterday we forecasted for Waldron, just 1 degree off. That's good enough, so congratulations to Janet Johnson of Wesley. She's going to get the Darby Bobby umbrella. We'll take you to Elkins tomorrow outside of Fayetteville and forecast a temperature of 91. Stay with us. Meredith Mulkey is coming up right after the break with everything you need to know in the world of the Hogs. That's next.